Hey there, and welcome back to CompareInternet.com, where we give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Viasat, a top provider of satellite internet service. We'll go over availability, pricing, speed, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Availability is one of Viasat's greatest strengths. No one can match the coverage of satellite internet. Viasat can reach over 99% of households in all 50 states. You don't need any specific wiring to get satellite internet. All you need is a clear view of the southern sky. That means you can get internet connection anywhere, even in the most rural and remote areas. Viasat is leading the way in opening up digital opportunities for everyone. No matter where you live, you can now have access to jobs and education with a fast, reliable internet connection. That brings us to our first rating. Let's talk about pricing. Satellite internet is different from most other internet technologies, so you should expect that satellite will cost you a little bit more. But out of the three major satellite providers, Viasat will give you the best bang for your buck. We give Viasat 3.5 stars for pricing. You'll get more for your dollar because of Viasat's higher speeds. Viasat's major competitor, HughesNet, currently only offers speeds of 50 megabits per second. But Viasat offers up to 150 megabits per second. That's a big difference. And even better, Viasat offers unlimited standard data. That means no unexpected overage charges on your monthly bill. You'll also get more high-speed data than you will from the competition. And if you work or study from home, Viasat has a great feature that no other satellite internet provider offers. It's called Viasat Office Hours, and it lets you use unlimited high-speed data on all your work applications like Zoom, Office 365, and many more. Any business data you use between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. doesn't count towards your high-speed data plan. Wow, that is a game changer. We've never seen anything like it from another satellite provider. But how about reliability and performance? Viasat is the only satellite internet provider to get 4 stars in this category. Viasat just launched a powerful new satellite called Viasat 3 Americas. That's why Viasat can give you a faster and more reliable satellite connection. And here's something to remember. The military uses satellite for their internet operations. That's because satellite doesn't depend on wires or towers that can go down. In a crisis, satellite is most likely to keep you connected when you need it most. Satellite can't give you the highest speeds of cable and fiber, but it definitely has advantages if you need high-speed internet in harder to reach places. That's why many small-town businesses also use satellite internet. Viasat even has backup internet that small businesses rely on to keep operations running in a crisis. Now that's reliability. Let's talk about equipment and installation. Everybody asks about satellite dishes because they think that they're huge and expensive, but not at all. All customers pay for is the monthly gateway like they would with any internet provider. With Viasat, it's currently only $13 a month, and professional installation is totally free. So we give Viasat 4 stars for equipment and installation too. Finally, let's talk about customer experience and support. We awarded Viasat 4 stars for its record of customer service and fulfillment. Viasat will typically have your internet up and running in only 3 to 5 days after your order. Don't expect that kind of speed from Starlink, which has been known to put customers on wait lists for a year. Viasat also has a robust customer service framework with 24/7 phone support, great tech support, and a really handy app called My Viasat. You can manage any aspect of your service right from your phone. So here's the big picture on Viasat. Viasat's overall rating is a whopping 3.9 stars, which is the highest of any satellite internet provider. With Viasat, you'll get the best variety of options from a satellite provider with a proven record of delivering fast, reliable internet. Plus, you'll get higher speeds, unlimited standard data, and generous high-speed data. And the Viasat Office Hours plan just puts Viasat way over the top to be our #1 satellite internet pick. That's what we've got for you on Viasat. Come back and see us for more reviews and info here at CompareInternet.com. And check out our site. We have detailed plans and prices to help you find the best internet provider. See you around.